Okay. Claire's decided to wear her bib as a cape instead of a bib, so let's be extra careful. She can do something really cool. Ready? Here you go. Okay, I'll do one. You're not going to show off now, huh? Now that we're trying to show off. Can you do it yourself? Okay. There you go. Yay! Good job. Want more? Okay. Oopsie. Oopsie. Let's get a new spoon. Okay, here you go. You gonna do it yourself? Nope. Veggies are good, huh? There you go. Yay! Get it all off. Good girl. Scoop. There you go. Oh, you want more? Okay. Scoop. Good job, lady. Yay! Try some more. There you go. All right. Good girl. More food. Scoop. You got it. Good job, sweetie. There you go. Good job. Yay.